My next point may be contrary to the goals that you've set out for yourself. Start little, start local. I mean this as a starting point. I mean, we all have to begin somewhere. And as much as we all want, it's not realistic to start on the cover of Vogue magazine or grace the pages of Travel and Leisure magazine. There is a huge, huge possibility your photos could appear in a local magazine. Many towns and cities have these. Your photos could also be in a local newspaper or even be used by your town's tourist bureau. Stop now, but let me finish first. Stop now and brainstorm a list of every local business that might be able to use your photos. And don't leave anyone off your list. Make your list as complete as possible. And if you need to, hop in the car or go for a walk around your town or city with a notebook and just start writing names down of various businesses that you think you could take great photos of their product and or service and then make a proposal to them. In the next lesson, I have provided a PDF for you to make your list of locals. I'll see you there.